at the screen.
Simply choose your club type and pay with the credit card that you would like to use for your automatic pay.
No thanks,
No
buy a car
thanks.
wash.
Welcome to the car wash. Please select an option from the list on the screen.
Buy a wash, right?
Buy wash.
If you would like an
Exterior washes.
please select full service. Please select a car wash by pressing. Please select extra service and then select
No
the
upgrade.
selecting button located at the bottom.
What is that?
On the bottom. Yep.
Please insert cash or
Oh, God. Let's see this way. This good chip reader. Did it do anything? Yeah, no card. Okay.
you are now ready
Please
to
drive
enter the
that
car
here.
wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the sign that says, and thank you again for your car wash.
Ah. Okay. Wake up, Andy. I'm coming. Free wash. That's really gonna help me. Oh, well, this is let's put it neutral, I guess.
Yep. He's
Hold to
telling
the
you.
right. Maybe a little bit more. A little bit more up, and they always just poke. Look like it's aiming to the front, not to the sides. It's more like this instead of, you know.
Okay, this is December 14th, 2024. Palms Car Wash in Wesley Chapel.
The scary car wash. David
At least
loves.
right now I can see ahead of me.
Cool, blue lights and foam. Lots and lots of bubbles.
Oh wow, look, the phone looks like it's glowing. You
Yeah.
probably can't see that on the video.
Oh wow! I thought you were gonna close your eyes, Mom. Oh, you're scared.
I can see the light ahead of me.
Woo, woo, woo. Blackpool Pleasure Beach Ride. Oh man. What the hell happened? Yeah, I thought it jumped off the tracks. Well, I guess it stalls there for a minute just to...
There's someone behind us too. I see headlights.
Yeah. Well, as long as we keep moving, don't stall. I was standing still. I thought maybe it came off the
know.
track thing. I'm like, oh great.
I know, that was weird.
Now we're stuck in the middle of the car wash. Okay, David? You good? I'm go, go, is what the sign says. All right, now put our mirrors out.
Yep, put the mirror out, honey, so Daddy can use that mirror, okay?
We'll go run the long way.
No, you gotta put it out, honey.
The mirror. Okay, push the whole. There you
Yeah,
go.
there you go.
Go the long way. Oh, better
right.
put my seatbelt on. Okay, Dave, say the end.